Hello, my name is Laurens van Rijn, founder of TouchFix and now Executive Vice President of MobileSentrix Europe. Today, I want to share some exciting news with you. The integration of TouchFix.shop into MobileSentrix. A bit of background. TouchFix has been active in the repair industry for over 14 years. Many of you know us as a repair partner, and the company will continue unchanged. What is changing is our spare parts business. TouchFix.shop, our parts webshop, was officially launched in 2019, but we have been supplying parts under the TouchFix name since 2013. From now on, this webshop will become part of MobileSentrix, and it is the knowledge and experience behind it that will drive their expansion into Europe. This step is also personal for me. After building TouchFix for so many years, it's exciting to see TouchFix.shop now becoming part of something bigger with MobileSentrix. Who is MobileSentrix? For those who don't know MobileSentrix yet, they are the global leader in mobile phone spare parts distribution, with more than 10 years of experience. They have their own teams on the ground in China, unmatched sourcing know-how, and a constant pursuit of quality. They already operate distribution centers in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, China, and now the Netherlands. Their influence is such that MobileSentrix has helped raise industry standards worldwide, from product quality and warranties to delivery and service conditions. What MobileSentrix brings to Europe. Until now, European repair shops worked with local suppliers or imports from the United States and China, but no one had the skill that MobileSentrix does. With our European hub in the Netherlands, we now offer direct access to worldwide inventory and logistics. But this is more than a web shop. It's a complete ecosystem. Fast and reliable delivery across Europe from our new hub in the Netherlands. Lifetime warranty on parts, even if they are returned unused after years. A constant flow of new and updated products, directly sourced from our own team in China. Dedicated support in your own language and time zone. Our mission is to have native sales reps for nearly every European market. The first global distributor to offer both genuine Apple parts and compatible parts in one place. Transparent pricing, no payment fees, and minimal shipping costs. A real game changer for Europe. Service is at the heart of what we do. MobileSentrix has set new standards worldwide, and now we are bringing that same level of service locally to Europe. With a dedicated European team ready to support you in your market, in your language. Why this is good news for you? What does this mean for repair professionals in Europe? Better pricing, thanks to MobileSentrix global purchasing power. Guaranteed quality and availability. No more risks with small or unreliable suppliers. Innovative services that are new to Europe. Lifetime warranties, flexible payment options, and a fully optimized webshop. No payment fees and minimal shipping costs. A real game changer in this industry. My personal commitment. I will lead this transition and remain closely involved, while our dedicated team will be your daily point of contact. I will continue to guide and support them to make sure everything runs in the right direction. For more than 15 years, I've lived and breathed this industry. Few people in Europe know it as deeply as I do. That expertise is what I now put fully behind MobileSentrix Europe, so repair shops finally get the partner they've always needed. To sum it up, TouchFix.shop becoming part of MobileSentrix Europe is not just an acquisition. Better service and more opportunities for repair shops all across Europe. Thank you for your trust, and I look forward to building the future of this industry together with you.